your purchase of funRide's Snoopy walker, the ride of happiness. This sturdy material walker comes with beautiful and bright colors. Please follow this instruction video carefully to assemble the product and know its amazing features. This exciting product is assembled using these parts. You also need a screwdriver with regular and star shape. Next, fix all of the 8 sturdy base wheels at the bottom of the walker body. Now, open the main body of the walker by pulling it vertically. The height can be adjusted up to 4 levels as required by pressing and sliding the button beneath the walker. Next, attach the seat which can be easily removed for cleaning. Continue the assembly by fixing the umbrella shed on the parental handle and slide it behind the seat cavity. Now, insert 2 AA batteries on the multifunctional tray and connect it to the main body to activate the fun music and LED. And for the finishing touch, fix the foot mat on the bottom of the walker and attach the rattle on the multifunctional tray. Slide the lock lever and twist the base both sides to activate rocker feature of it. The Snoopy Deluxe Walker is now ready for your baby. Enjoy the fun ride, the ride of happiness.